I'm Carlene and this is Michael.
Welcome to our home. Come in and take a look. So we bought this house over 10 years ago, and it was just a slab. The original house had been burnt down. So that gave us the opportunity to be able to design a home taking advantage of the surrounding. So we've designed this room in this position because we get this natural light coming in through these windows. We get access to the winter sun and also the cooling summer breezes.
We've used a lot of louvers, and louvers are really great for promoting passive airflow, and we're able to, just with the tilt of the window, be able to control that airflow.
Probably one of my favourite building materials is polished concrete, and we were lucky enough to actually have this slab already here. We just needed to polish it. So it not only looks good, it's also effective when it comes to heating and cooling the house.
This is one of our outdoor spaces, but our only shaded outdoor space. So we spend a lot of time out here in summer. The roof obviously makes this space really functional and protects us from the sun while we're out here, but it also helps protect us when we're inside and just protects us from that direct sort of sunlight.
Because we live in a fairly large home, it was important for us to implement ways to reduce our energy bill. One of those ways was to install solar panels on the roof and a battery.
We also made sure that we chose appliances with high energy ratings. So our pool pump is a energy efficient pool pump. We've got a heat pump hot water system, and all the appliances through the kitchen and laundry have high energy ratings.
So we've actually designed the house in a way that we've got all the living on one side and all the bedrooms on the other side. They're connected by this awesome light-filled breezeway with these big stack of doors that open all the way up, but also some curtains that protect us from a bit of that direct light.
Let's keep going.
So this is our master bedroom. In all our bedrooms, we've included ceiling fans. It just provides you the option of not having to use the aircon. All our aircon is zoned so that we can pick and choose which rooms we're using it in and not having to heat or cool the whole house, which is just better for our energy bill.
Window placement in, well, the whole house, but particularly the bedrooms, is super important as well, because you want these spaces to be very comfortable. So you'll notice that this wall here is all cabinetry. That's because that's the western side of the house. So we definitely didn't want to have any of that afternoon summer sun coming in. And we've also got windows that are protected by eaves. What a lot of people don't think about when they're designing a home or building a home is insulation. And it was something that we really put a lot of effort into, making sure that the house was well insulated, and you can really tell the difference. And when you go to parts of the home that are original that don't have that insulation, you can really tell, they might be boiling hot in summer or, freezing in winters. Thanks for watching. We hope we've given you some great ideas for your next renovation or new build.
Now, not everything we've done here on the sunny Gold Coast will be right for your home. Every home is different, and what's right for you will depend on where you live, whether you're renovating or building, your budget and your goals.
So jump on the website for some more great tips and ideas, and to learn how you can create a home for yourself that is healthy, efficient and comfortable.